In this video, I will be showing you how to change the display language in Ubuntu operating system. So let's get started. For this, to the leftmost bottom, we will be having Show Apps. Select it, and here we will be having Settings. Open Settings over here, and in Settings, if you just scroll down, we will be having System. Select it, and here we are having Region and Language. Click that, and here we will be having Language option. So in my case, I'm only having few languages. I don't have all the languages over here. So for this, what you can do is we'll be having Manage Installed Languages. Select this, and if you are getting something like this, the language support is not installed completely, make sure that you are clicking on Install and type your password here. So this will take some time, so be patient. Once that is done, we will be having Install or Remove Languages. Select this, and here we are having these many languages to be installed. So just select the one of your choice over here. So I will just select few of these and click on Apply. So this will be applying the changes. And now just reopen this region and language. Okay, just close this and again go to the same settings and System, Region and Language, and this time, as you can see, we are having all the different languages that we added for Denmark, we added for Netherlands, and if you click this, we'll be having the different languages that we added right now. So we added this and these two. So just click on the language of your choice. You can even search it and click on Select, and it says language and format will be changed after next login. So just click on this log out, and just re-log in now. And now if I open my folder, as you can see, the language has been changed over here also. If I go to my settings, here also you can see the language has been completely changed everywhere in settings also. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.